Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some definition related to the matrix. First here, idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. If A is a square matrix and if A square equal to A, then A is called idempotent matrix. Note here, AQ can be written as A square into A, that is A square equal to A into A, that is A square also equal to A. In general, A के power n equal to A. And second, every identity matrix is also an idempotent matrix here. Now second, nilpotent matrix. Now second, nilpotent matrix. A square matrix is said to be nilpotent matrix of order or index P if A के power P equal to 0 and A के power P minus 1 does not equal to 0. Here P is order of nilpotent. P belongs N. Natural number. Third, periodic matrix. A square matrix which is satisfied the relation A के power K plus 1 equal to A for every positive integral value K, then A is called periodic matrix with period K. Now third, involuntary matrix here. Involuntary matrix, A square matrix if A square equal to I, then A is called the involuntary matrix. Now question number 1, if I minus A and I plus A equal to 0, then prove that A is an involuntary matrix. Question number 1, solution. 1 here, given I minus A and I plus A equal to 0, I minus A, I plus A equal to 0, it implies that A minus B and A plus B, A square minus B square. Here I square minus A square equal to 0. Now after changing the sign, I square equal to here A square and I square, that is equal to I square equal to A square, that is equal to I, implies that A square equal to I, and here prove that A is an involuntary matrix. A square equal to I. This is a condition for involuntary matrix, so that this is involuntary matrix proved. Now question number second here. Prove that if A is a idempotent matrix, given that A is a idempotent matrix, given A is idempotent matrix, here A is a idempotent matrix, so that A square equal to A square equal to A. It means that A square it can be written as determinant of here, determinant of A into A, determinant. Now here given A is a idempotent matrix here, so that A square equal to A, and we apply the determinant A square in A into A equal to determinant A. It can be written as in the symbol for determinant A, and determinant A equal to A. Change the sign side, that is determinant A. We take the common determinant A, so that here determinant A minus 1. If determinant equal to 0, and if determinant A minus 1 equal to 0, so that determinant A equal to 1 here. Now and then its determinant is 0 or 1, that is a 0 or 1. Now question number third. Now here question number third, if A equal to matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, prove that I plus A equal to I minus A, cos alpha minus sin alpha, here sin alpha and cos alpha. Now I equal to here I equal to 1, 0 and 0, 1. Identity matrix, and we have to show that I plus A equal to I minus A, and cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Now here from left hand side, I plus A here A plus I plus A here equal to I equal to this 1, 0, 0, 1, I and plus A is this 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 and 0 here. Adding this, in this case this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2 matrix, so that adding corresponding element 1, 0, 1, 0 plus this minus tan alpha by 2, 0 plus this tan alpha by 2 and 1 plus 0, 1 here, so that I plus A equal to this. This is a left hand side. Now we take the Right, now we'll take the right hand side here. From right hand side, right, in this case I minus a with this I minus a with this cos alpha minus sin alpha, and here sin alpha and cos alpha. In this case, now I minus a here in this case I minus a, I is equal to this and a is equal to this. I minus a, it can be written as 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. This can be written as 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 0 minus this, that is plus tan alpha by 2, 0 minus this, and minus tan alpha by 2, and 1 minus 0 and 1. This is equal to 1 tan alpha by 2 and minus tan alpha by 2 and 1, and this comes here cos alpha minus sin alpha, and this is a cos alpha. Now we multiply this row by column methods. Row by column methods. Here row by column methods. Row 1 multiply this cos alpha and cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into sin alpha, row by column method, here 1 minus sin alpha and plus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha, row by column method. Now this multiply this here, row by column method, minus tan alpha by 2 cos alpha, tan alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sin alpha, and this minus plus tan alpha sin alpha, tan alpha by 2 sin alpha plus row by column method plus cos alpha, now here cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 sin alpha, cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 sin alpha. Now it can be written as cos alpha tan alpha by 2 in sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 plus here into sin alpha. Now taking this LCM cos alpha by 2, here cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2. This can be written as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos A minus B यानी cos alpha minus alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. It means that alpha minus alpha by 2 equal to cos alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. This is cancelled equal to 1. So that we can write in place of this is equal to 1. This can be written as equal to 1. And this is here. This is a tan alpha by 2 sin alpha plus cos alpha. Both are same, so that this is equal to 1. Now, this case, this can convert here minus sin alpha plus tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha here. Now this can be written as minus sin alpha and here tan alpha by 2. Now in this case this can be written as tan alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Now taking the LCM here sin alpha cos alpha by 2 sin alpha cos alpha by 2 minus and plus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 and it can be written as sin cos A cos B cos A sin B minus sin A cos B and this can be written as cos here. Now here this is minus sin alpha plus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha here. Sin alpha tan alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 cos alpha and here taking the LCM cos alpha by 2 so that sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha or sin alpha by 2. Now we take the negative sign here. In this case negative sign here. In this case sin A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B and this is a sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 with negative sign tan alpha by 2 so that this can be written as equal to 1. This is equal to 1 and this is equal to minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and this is equal to after solving we get the tan alpha by 2 and this is same so that this is equal to 1 so that we solve the left hand side here 1 minus tan alpha by 2 tan alpha by 2 1 and this is a right hand side 1 by tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 equal to here so that this is proved. Now here fifth transpose of matrix. It means that changing row and column the matrix obtained from any given matrix A by interchanging row and column. Let us suppose that A is a matrix, Ij is any matrix of order m cross n. Then the transpose of matrix A is denoted by A के power T or A dash and A के power T is equal to A J I that is a m cross m and if A के power T and B के power T are the two transpose matrix of A and this is a matrix B. Now transpose of A is that is equal transpose of matrix A to double transpose that is equal to A, and A transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of matrix A plus transpose of matrix B, and this form in general we can say that transpose of product of matrix is equal to the transpose of matrix an minus 1 up to this, and this can be written as K is a constant, and multiply this, we calculate the transpose of this matrix is K of this, and let us suppose that A is a matrix 1 2 3 4 here. We calculate this here, changing row by column, row 1 3 and 2 4. This is a transpose of matrix A, and A के power T double transpose here, so that 1 2 and 3 4 here. This is equal to the matrix A. It means that transpose of transpose matrix A also we get the same matrix. Now here symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. If Aij equal to Aj, then the matrix is called the symmetric matrix, and if Aij equal to minus of Aj, then the matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Now, for example, here if matrix A is this, and the transpose of matrix A 2 4 6 2 4 6 4 5 7 4 5 7 6 7 8 6 7 8, and in transfer row by column, this is, and both are same, it means that A के power T equal to A. It means that A is a symmetric matrix because here Aij equal to Aj, both are equal, so that matrix A and transpose of matrix A both are same, so that A is a symmetric matrix. Now, if A equal to 0 minus 2 6 2 0 minus 4 minus 6 4 0, and we calculate the transpose of matrix A row by column, row 0 minus 2 6 0 minus 2 6 2 0 minus 4 2 0 minus 4 minus 6 4 0 minus 6 4 0, so that now in this case we multiply minus sign to each element here, so that minus 2 plus 6 and plus 2 minus 4 and minus 6 and plus 4, we take negative sign, and this and that this matrix are same, so that this is equal to minus A. It means that transpose of matrix A is equal to minus A, so that A is a called skew symmetric matrix. It means that we do added the matrix A, and if matrix A and transpose of matrix A, sum of this is equal to 0, it means that A is a skew symmetric matrix. And now conjugate matrix here. Now here conjugate of matrix. The matrix obtained from any given matrix A containing complex number as its element, and replacing its element by the corresponding conjugate number is called conjugate of A and is denoted by A के power bar. For example, A is the matrix 1 plus 2i 2 minus 3i. This is the element of this. Then the conjugate of matrix this conjugate number replaced by plus into negative, minus into positive, plus positive convert into negative, plus this convert into positive, this convert into negative, this convert negative to positive, this is same, this is positive to negative, and this, so that this element, this matrix formed by the conjugate of this element, that is known as conjugate of matrix A. Now null matrix, if a matrix which in both symmetric and non-symmetric, then the matrix is known as null matrix. It means that a matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric both, then that is known as null matrix. Now transpose of matrix A is equal to A and transpose of matrix A equal to minus A, both condition holds at simultaneously, then the matrix is known as null matrix. And here orthogonal matrix, if A is a square matrix said to be orthogonal if A of transpose of A equal to identity matrix I, A के पास transpose of matrix A into A. Now let us suppose that A is a matrix here and this is a transpose matrix. Row convert into column A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3, and after that we multiply this A and transpose of this, we get sigma A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Here C1, here similar things. Now as in this case A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square, B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square, C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square in the summation of part, and this is equal to I 1 1 1, so that this middle part sigma A1 square of B1 square C1 square equal to 1 and rest element equal to 0. This is a condition for the orthogonal of matrix. Now we discuss about the adjoint of matrix here. Now here adjoint of a matrix for square matrix, let A is ij 3 cross 3 and another matrix B is formed by cofactor of the corresponding element of this matrix. Now let A is a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21 and B is a matrix formed by the cofactor of this A11 that is C11, A12 that is C12, that this is a matrix formed by the cofactor of each element of this. Adjoint of A is transpose of the matrix B, so that row is converted to the column, so that adjoint of A equal to transpose matrix of cofactor of B, so that this is row by column C11, C12, C13, C11, C12, C13, row by column C21, 22 and 23, C21, 22 and 23, a row by column matrix. Hence transpose of matrix of cofactor of element of A in determinant A is called the adjoint of this. Now here adjoint of a scalar matrix is also a scalar matrix. Here let us suppose that A is a scalar matrix and this is formed the cofactor of each element. Calculate the cofactor of this is also equal to A square, this is also equal to A square, this is also equal to A square, and rest element that is also 0, so that this, if you convert this cofactor matrix and transpose A square 0 1, A square 0 1, 0 A square this and this, and so that adjoint of matrix A is transpose of cofactor of matrix B, that is a scalar matrix. Now we take one example here. Now here find the adjoint of matrix. This is A is the matrix. First of all we indicate the sign. This is a plus, minus, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus here. Now we calculate the cofactor of h. Cofactor C11 cofactor of 1 equal to deleting and this 1 minus 3 2 and 3 and here 3 1 is 3 minus of 3 2 is 6 plus, so that this is a 9. Now cofactor of this one, this is a negative, deleting this and this. Here 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 3 here minus 3 2 is 6 and minus 3 minus plus and minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. Now C13 here cofactor of 1 this deleting this 2 1 and minus 1 2 2 2 is 4 minus plus and 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So that now C21 this is cofactor of C here C21 C21 this is C21 cofactor of 2 deleting this and this 1 1 2 and 3 1 1 2 and 3, this is negative 3 1 is 3 minus 2, this is 1. So that we find the matrix of the cofactor here and matrix of cofactor, adjoint table of transpose of matrix, so that row 9 minus 3 5 9 minus 3 5 minus 1 4 minus 3 minus 1 4 minus 3, and this is the adjoint of the matrix. Now and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.